This could be your last chance to buy the CRO, the Cronos token, at 10 cents. In just about 1 week's time, I am anticipating a 50% climb in this token very, very soon. For some very specific reasons, folks. Crypto.com, one of the biggest exchanges, is out there that has done a great job with marketing partnerships and a variety of ways to find utility for the Cronos token. They've been building through this bear market, and I believe we are right at the edge of the next move up. Granted, we don't get a spot Bitcoin ETF sell the news event. That's the only caveat here. But let's look at CROcoin. Let's look at the charts for crypto overall today and talk about why I believe a 50% explosion is coming for the CRO token, and it might be your last chance to get it at 10 cents. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip, and I've got a couple things to share with you guys here. Let's start with the CROcoin chart. So our previous high for this coin was at 96 cents. And so a lot of people like myself believe that $1 is essentially baked in for this bull cycle. CROcoin will hit $1. It will likely even take a chance at $1 in 2024 if the bull cycle remains on schedule for what we've seen in the past for crypto overall. But I want you guys to see is we are in a very clear wedge here, a wedge that's coiling up with a ready move for the upside. As long as Bitcoin, which by the way, Bitcoin has been absolutely ripping. This is Bitcoin. Let me go down to the daily candles for you. Here's Bitcoin in the first 2 daily candles of the new year. Actually, 1 and 2. Huge green candles breaking us out to yearly highs, daily highs, all the highs. Absolutely crazy. Only thing it didn't do is put in the all-time high yet, which is certainly ahead. Some people are expecting this in 2024, myself included. I expect us to break all-time highs in the year 2024. If a spot Bitcoin ETF is launched, that could certainly boost us higher. If a spot ETF is launched and it is a sell the news event and we dip, then this whole conversation about CRO is invalidated and this wedge would then break down. But we're talking about what if this wedge breaks up, which is a likely scenario, as CROcoin is due for some upside for the obvious reasons of the value proposition that we've talked about on CRO all the time on this channel. But in this video, I'm just talking about the price action of what comes next. Again, this is the move that I expect to see. The opening of this triangle, boosting up to this 15-cent level is key. Let's look at the CRO versus Bitcoin chart as well. Now, I got a little triangle here. I don't know if this will actually play out to exactly kind of what I'm looking at here. But we could kind of be done seeing the downside for CRO versus Bitcoin because lately, CROcoin has come down quite a bit versus Bitcoin after our really nice rally in the fall of 2023. So if CROcoin, first of all, if Bitcoin continues to pump, then CROcoin will inevitably make a 50% move, ba-bing, 52%, up to 15 cents, which would be spectacular. 15 cents, this is a level that we've danced at. Here. Look at all the points that we've broken up and down through this, stopped at it. This is, I believe, where we're going to stop. About 15.5 cents or so. CROcoin versus Bitcoin as well would then likely take a breakout. And if this is any proper channel that I've drawn here, we would see a move of CRO versus Bitcoin, approximately 50% as well. So those are the potential gains that we're looking at here. And I'll tell you what, if CROcoin can start its rally versus Bitcoin, then there's a much bigger picture here. What you're looking at now is the chart for CROcoin versus Bitcoin going all the way back to 2019. And we can see some previous resistance that we've seen for this, which is still 650% away. So if CROcoin can come back up versus Bitcoin as well in this bull cycle, which I do believe that it will, because it's a smaller market cap, it's easier for the token to rally. People are going to be flooding into this Bitcoin ETF. We're going to have billions and trillions of dollars flowing into Bitcoin and Ethereum and a lot of these altcoins. Crypto.com is one of the largest exchanges out there. They've got a lot of utility for this token. And just look at the previous moves for this project, guys. We will have likely a rally like this at some point of CRO versus Bitcoin in this cycle. And people are bullish on Bitcoin. I am very, very bullish on Cronos as well. Looking at the CRO coin here, this is your clear 50% move up to 15 cents. I want to share that with you guys. I do think, why do I say this is coming in a week or the next 7 days as well? Well, we are running out of time in this triangle. This is likely the last weekly candle. Maybe one more weekly candle could show up in this triangle before we are either breaking up or we are breaking down. And let me be very, very real with you guys. There is a chance that Bitcoin breaks down here. There is a chance that Bitcoin breaks down here. What you need to look out for in the short term, though, are a couple key bounces for Bitcoin. One, on the top of this trend line, which we are doing right now. If you can see, we've got a couple 4-hourly candles that are bouncing us right here. A bounce here would be spectacular. We could also come back down for Bitcoin, come back down to about $43,000. 43,600, bounce off the top of this channel and keep going. If it's a true sell the news event with this ETF, then you can start looking at some of these other levels like 37 or 38K. I'm not talking about those yet. Even if those happen, that does not change my value proposition for Bitcoin and crypto as a whole. I believe that billions, if not trillions of dollars are going to flow into this asset class over the next 2 years. I will be buying into the fall. I'm going to say this repeatedly on the channel so you guys know my philosophy for this market and what my strategy is, because I know a lot of people are curious out there. Because I believe this bull cycle is going to be massive. Institutions are coming, and I think we're going to have a chance to make a lot of money. I do believe a 50% move could be coming for CRO coin in the next week. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Guys, that's all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got more videos for you later today. Check them out. Peace.